What is up, guys? Alex here from technicalclass.com, coming to you with a full review of the Transcend ESD400 portable SSD drive. Yes, that means it is a solid state drive inside this portable shell right here, very small actually, and it promises very fast read or write speeds in a portable form factor, which is very good for professionals like me or people who like to edit video or other large project files on their portable drive. So you can edit it on your laptop, you plug it onto your laptop, you edit it, work on it, and then unplug it from your laptop, plug it onto your desktop so you can complete your work or continue your work with large project files. Also, you can, if you like to keep large files and want to access it in a very fast 410 megabytes read and 380 megabytes per second write, then this is also one for you. So we're going to check it out right now. I'm Alex from technicalclass.com. We'll see you guys in just a bit. Alright, so here's what's inside the box of the ESD400 from Transcend. We have some pamphlets for memory modules, multimedia products, some Apple solutions, and here is the one that pertains to our product right here. This is the quick start guide, the warranty card. We have a felt little case for your hard drive itself. Here's the hard drive itself with a nice shiny logo, by the way, and a USB 3.0 cable. Alright, so here is the Transcend ESD400 itself on the palm of my hand. As you can see, it is a very small SSD, and I believe it's based on a 1.8 inch drive SSD, solid state drive, NAND flash. And as you can see, it is very small. It is actually quite lightweight, you can't tell, but it is a very solid plastic still. As you can see, there's no hollow parts. If you knock on it, and you don't have to worry about knocking on it because it is a solid state drive, and unlike hard drives with spindles, there's no risk of damaging a lot of the parts when you're just tapping on it and shaking it a little bit. So this is the drive itself. It's about the size of a pack of cards, maybe thinner than a pack of cards, and very lightweight. I believe this is 53 grams. This is the little pouch that it comes with, and you can put your Transcend drive on there, protect it from scratches if you want to keep it pristine. Looks pretty nice as well. And here is the USB cable. Looking a little bit more closely, we can see the Transcend logo is a little bit of a holographic Transcend logo. And over on the top left corner, we have a LED light that allows it to see if the drive is actually recording or reading or not. On the top, we have a one-click backup button and the USB 3.0 micro connector. Alright, I do have to mention that the USB cable is quite thick and is about 1 foot long, if I can measure that. It is fairly heavy and thick though, so the drive itself, being very lightweight, will always follow the cable's inclination of bending or whatever. So your drive will not naturally sit flush onto the table, but it wouldn't matter. It's just an aesthetic thing though. Alright, so let's move on to the performance bit, the fun part of this review or experiment. We are going to compare the Transcend ESD400 with a portable thumb drive, USB 3.0. This is a portable hard drive, USB 3.0. And this is an internal SSD. Yes, an internal SSD, one you cannot take around with you because you screw it on to your desktop. But we're going to compare the speed of a external SSD with the internal SSD. So right off the bat, the thumb drive gets 118 megabytes per second. That's read, and 22 megabytes per second write. Pretty abysmal speed. That's what a lot of people are using right now, USB thumb drives, and some people are upgrading to a USB hard drive, which gives us 92 megabytes per second read, 92 megabytes per second write. Not bad. But when it comes to the Transcend ESD400 external drive, we're getting 420 megabytes read and 394 megabytes write. That is almost, I believe, 4 times faster than a portable HDD. And onto the internal drive, we get 516 megabytes read and 476 megabytes of write, which is not even much more faster than the external Transcend ESD, which means you're getting a nice portable drive. It's even smaller than the internal drive that I have right here. This is 2.5-inch drive. And you're getting about the same speed as an internal SSD. Plus, you have the portable form factor, which is a very good thing. All right, so time for our conclusions on the Transcend ESD400. Now, first of all, let's talk about the price. The price on this guy for a 1 terabyte version is about $380 US. And you have that for the 512 gigabyte version, and you have that 512 gigabyte for the 120 gigabyte version. That is fairly affordable or fairly decent for a portable drive. It is a little bit more expensive than an HDD, portable HDD, but you do have to pay for the fast read-write speed. So we're talking about the pros and cons of the drive now. Number one pro is it's very small and lightweight. It's even smaller than my portable hard drive, and you don't get that spinning, vibration when you use it. Number two, it's 4 times faster than my portable hard drive, which is USB 3.0. So you do get a lot of productivity capability with the storage that you get from the Transcend. There's also a one-touch backup button, which can be useful if you're not a big, pro with computers. It's easy to back up with. All right, so the last pro is that since it's an SSD, there are no moving parts inside, so it is less prone to damage, even if you keep it upside down, keep it upright, keep it vertically oriented and stuff like that, which is typically bad for portable hard drives. Now let's talk about the cons. Number one, the cable is slightly hard to manage. It is fairly thick, and you can drag your Transcend drive along with that. It's not that big a deal, but I would have wanted a little bit more easier to manage cable, particularly because the little felt case does not allow you to keep the cable inside the felt case. And the number two con is it's more expensive than hard drive storage or portable hard drive storage, which comes with the territory because you are keeping a portable, very fast SSD with you. Alright, so what's the conclusion with the ESD400 from Transcend? Well, it's a great portable drive, and it's a great option even for people who just need, not even fast storage, but it will be very convenient to be copying files in about 4 times faster than hard drives. It's a great boon for professionals who handle large files on the daily, and it performs nearly as fast as internal SSDs. That said, you will be paying more for the privilege of a very fast drive, but even for professionals or even casual users, the advantage of having a fast drive is well worth it. And that means we give it our highly recommended award. So there you go. That is the review of the Transcend ESD400 portable SSD. I'm Alex from technoclass.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.